I am a baby.
Abby's reading a story to Adriana.
Where's your nose?
Where's your nose? Next page.
Where is your tiny eye?
Be careful, because Robin's here.
Look at my tiny head. Look at my tiny teeth. Look at my ears. Look at my belly button, my back, my fingers, my hands. I like touching my bubbles. Look at my feet. Smile.
Toes are fun too.
Toes is fun too. I am a baby and
Very good.